Alright, what's up? I got some new parts for Christmas, so I'm gonna show you what I got. Alright, I'll start with the grips. ODI long necks in white with ODI bar ends. Moving down to the bars, they are Stlen big boy bars. The stem is the Stlen convct V3 stem. The forks are Stlen cyclones. I like them. They held up pretty good. I mean, nothing's broken yet, so. And then my tires are, both of them are Tioga 20 by 2.25. And then my front wheel is an Ezra complete. It's the Ezra Opus front rim and the Ezra Opus front hub. It's a Stlen Heist frame with a Shadow Conspiracy plastic pivotal seat, Stlen thermalite seat post, and a Stlen choker seat clamp. Moving down to the cranks, they're just stock cranks. And then it's a Stlen class ring sprocket with black Stlen thermalite pedals, kind of dirty. The chain is a white KMC 410. And my back wheel is a custom. It's a Primo remix laced to an Alienation runaway hub or rim. And I don't know, it's loud. I like it. Runs good. Took me about 5 minutes to put on. See, pretty loud. Yeah, that's about it. So